Well, temperatures were a little bit warmer than yesterday because we did finally see some sunshine by the afternoon, and temperatures, well, they're still a little bit cool around the area. 55 degrees for Medford, 44 degrees for Montague, and the upper 40s currently for Mount Shasta, and along the coast we are seeing middle 50s and upper 50s for Brookings, 58 degrees for Brookings, 56 degrees for Crescent City. But east of the Cascades in the 40s, 45 degrees for Klamath Falls, sitting at 43 degrees for Lakeview, Alturas at 45. Currently for Grants Pass, a little bit of cloud cover, 55 degrees, calm winds and relative humidity sitting at 77%. As for Ashland, also just a few clouds moving through, 49 degrees, and south-southwesterly winds right around 3 miles per hour, relative humidity sitting at 83%. So here are our weather headlines for the next couple of days, and I wanted to spell out the fog that we will be seeing at least for tomorrow morning. Some patchy fog developing, a few showers by Thanksgiving. Most of the rainfall will stay along the coast for Thursday, and then definitely wet and rainy for the holiday weekend. We have a couple of storm systems that will be interacting, so that means the travel forecast, at least past Thanksgiving, looks like it might be a little bit rainy. And then by the end of the weekend, snow levels will be dropping. We're looking at around 4,000 feet for Northern California, so that might be a travel concern by the time we reach the end of the weekend. Here's the jet stream analysis. High pressure in control, but the next storm system that we're watching getting ready to move through will be this area of low pressure just offshore. We are going to see a cold front trying to move through, but the ridge is going to do a pretty good job of holding that off, and that's one of the reasons why mainly the coast will see that rainfall on Thursday, and then another storm system working will bring us a better chance of rain by Friday and towards Saturday. Here's the stormcast for the next 24 hours. We'll put this into motion, seeing some fog developing right along the coast, some high clouds starting to work their way in, and notice right along the I-5 corridor, the cloud cover that will not be moving by early tomorrow morning, staying fairly stationary. That's a sign that fog will be working in, and also some cloud cover starting to develop at least throughout the day for Wednesday. That's a sign of what it will be coming by Thanksgiving and towards Friday with that next storm system. So for tomorrow along the coast, temperatures are going to be in the 60s. So a pretty nice day ahead, near 60 degrees for Gold Beach, 62 degrees for Brookings, Port Orford, 61. Also a little bit of patchy fog possible by tomorrow morning. Those winds from the south, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Maybe a little bit breezy winds at times gusting up to 35 miles per hour. As for Northern California, partly cloudy skies, and in the Shasta Valley could see a little bit of fog by tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the upper 50s for highs, 57 for Happy Camp, Fort Jones, 59, 58 for Wairika, a fairly light south wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for the Klamath Basin, partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 50s, 50 degrees for Chiloquin, 51 for Chemult, 54 degrees the high for Klamath Falls, and then southwesterly winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. As for the mountains, a little bit of fog possible for places like Prospect, but as the day moves on, we will be seeing mostly sunny skies. Butte Falls, 57, 53 the high for Prospect, 51 degrees the high for Crater Lake, south winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. As for the Rogue Valley, starting out with fog, and then as the day moves on, we'll have a hard time getting rid of that fog, but do expect mostly cloudy skies by the afternoon hours, 57 degrees for Medford. Same thing goes for Grants Pass, Rogue River, Ashland, partly cloudy, a high in the upper 50s, near 60 degrees the high for Cave Junction, southeasterly winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. For the next 7 days along the coast, those showers making their way in for Thanksgiving. Rain by Friday, that continues for the weekend and start of next week. Just isolated showers by Tuesday, highs in the middle 50s. For Northern California, partly cloudy for tomorrow on Wednesday, middle 50s for highs on Thursday, dropping the temperatures to the upper 40s for Saturday, middle 40s for Sunday, and that's when snow levels will start to drop. We will also see that in the Klamath Basin, just isolated rain and snow showers for higher elevations Sunday through Monday and Tuesday. Partly cloudy, though, in the meantime for Wednesday and Thanksgiving. For the mountains, stray shower possible on Thanksgiving, then showers really entering the forecast for Friday and Saturday as snow levels start to drop. And for the Rogue Valley, patchy fog tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy for the rest of the day, then just a few showers for Thursday. And as mentioned, bulk of the rainfall getting here at least by Black Friday and then in towards the weekend.
All right. Thank you very much, Kate.